Is your little one, human or canine, tracking in mud? This Olanly Doormat might be the answer, but there's one thing I really wish I'd known before I bought it. My kids and dog bring in major messes through this back door, and I always have shoe or paw prints to clean up. I had a mat here that I really liked for catching dirt, but it just didn't help at all for wet messes. So I bought this one hoping it could make a difference, and in many ways it does. I have the kids trained to wipe their shoes a couple of times before walking inside, and it seems to catch all the moisture and really cut down on messes. But our dog doesn't get the concept of wiping her feet when she's zooming in the back door. It definitely dries her paws some, but I think if she had to step on it just one more time, we'd get a full dry. So if I had to do it over again, I'd order a bigger one. But overall, it's cut down on messes, and I love that it's machine washable and dryable. So whenever it gets a little gross, I just throw it in the wash. If you'd like to check it out, I'll put a link in the description below. Like and subscribe for more real-life reviews.